said, "I do." She said, "I do." But they were strangers.
This is ITV from London. Normal programming has been suspended at the request of Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information. This is ITV from London. Normal programming has been suspended at the request of Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information. As of now, it is midday in many parts of the world. However, it seems that the sun has not risen. We do not know the cause of this phenomena. NASA and other organizations are working diligently to resolve this situation. At this time, you must stay indoors, lock all windows and close all blinds. Keep all pets indoors. If you know anyone who is out in public, do not attempt to contact them. Police will inform them of the situation and they will be instructed to return home. We have no more information to bring you at this time. Please stay calm and remain tuned to this broadcast. We have some disturbing news to bring you. It appears our sun has disappeared, as if it never existed. Temperatures around the globe are expected to drop as low as 57 degrees Celsius within the coming days. As such, the Earth will become uninhabitable. Unless we are able to find a long-term solution, it is likely that the human race, as well as every other species on the planet, will go extinct. Cherish your final days with your loved ones. Make sure your death is as peaceful and dignified as possible. That is all from us at the ITV.